Hello ladies and ghouls, I am here today to bring you this little cheeky pumpkin Halloween look, which was inspired by these leggings that I found at Burlington for about $6. So I'm gonna start with these pumpkins that I got from this pack at the Dollar Tree. They are cute little pumpkins, as you can see. So I'm gonna start with this orange shade from the 35E Morphe palette, and I don't know why there are children's colored pencils in my makeups, but as you see here, we are starting with the edges with a big fluffy brush, and you want to try to concentrate on the very edges so that it's more pronounced once you take off the stickers, and it'll look really cool if you do that. Here I am realizing the sticker is a little bit closer to my nose than the other side, but that's okay. Make sure yours isn't, if that's something you care about. Now we are using this shade called Vivid from the 39A Dare to Create palette. And again, you want to try to get those edges first. Really concentrate on that, and then go ahead and start fluffing it out to the rest of the edges, as you see here. The inner edge, and then fluff it out. Still using the 39A palette, we are using the shade Create, and again, inner edge. Taking the shade Snatched, we are again going to use this one on the edges, and this will be the last shade for our cheeks. Now get a liquid liner. This is the Tarte liquid liner, and use that to outline the pumpkin as you see here. And you want to get the eyes. If yours has eyes, if it doesn't, that's fine. You can draw it in later. And draw in the eyes and the mouth. And it's okay if it's a little sloppy, because you can fix it later. Now reveal those sloppy pumpkins. And go ahead and outline any mistakes that you might have made. Make everything more pronounced. Here I am just sharpening up the mouth, making it more pointy. I am adding little details where the little grooves on a pumpkin would be. Here's the bottom grooves and the little top ones. And this is what they look like. Now, moving on to the eyes, we are still using the 39A with the shade Bear. And you want to get that into this crease area. And really concentrate on getting that pretty dark. And then fluff it out. Now using the shade Vivid, Still 39A palette. You want to pack that on the outer corner and then move it into the crease and fluff it out. Using the shade Snatched, you want to again pack it on the outer corner, bring it in, and really fluff this one out too because it's very pretty and why not? Now taking the shade Cat Eye, you want to put that on the inner corner. Bring it in to the crease, and you don't have to fluff this one out so much. This one, try to keep more into the outer corner and crease area. Now taking that orange shade again from the 35E, you want to put that all over the lid area. Now taking So Glam from the 39A palette, you want to put that on the inner corner of the eye. And taking Snatched on a more packing brush, you want to put that on the lower lash line and then fluff it out. Now taking this very gold shade from the 35E palette, I'm going to put that on the inner corner and using that packing brush again, put that on the bottom inner lash line. And I think this shade is so pretty. Now here I'm doing a winged liner. Curling your lashes and putting on a mascara, upper and lower lashes. Taking any eyeliner that's not liquid, do your tight line and smoke out your bottom. My camera cut off there. Sorry about that. Here, I forgot to contour earlier, so I am doing that now. I only contoured my nose. You can, of course, contour the rest of your face if you'd like. Taking my Ofra highlighter in Glazed Donut, go ahead and highlight your high points of your face. Tip of the nose, the bridge, your mustache holder, and your chin. Using my NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Alien for your lips, which is of course black. And that's it. Here you are. You should be looking all sorts of cute. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff that you guys love to do. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!